Hello children, welcome to our class. In our previous class, we have completed our first chapter and in our previous class we have started second chapter, that is whole numbers. In our previous class we have learned about in the whole numbers we have two types of numbers. One is natural numbers, another one is whole numbers. And what is meant by successor and predecessor also we have learned. Once again we will recall. What are the whole numbers, Nana? The counting of numbers are called whole numbers. The counting of numbers are called whole numbers. Sorry. The counting of numbers are called natural numbers. Sorry, Nana. The counting of numbers are called natural numbers. And the natural numbers are denoted by capital N. The natural numbers are starts from. That means the set of natural numbers are from 1. 1, 2, 3, dash, 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 so on, so. Then the smallest natural number is 1. The smallest natural number is 1. Now, whole numbers. What is meant by whole numbers, Nana? Whole numbers are denoted by capital W. The natural numbers along with 0 or natural numbers by including 0 are called whole numbers. Natural numbers along with 0 or by including 0 to the natural numbers, then the numbers are called whole numbers. The set of whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, dash, 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 like that. That means natural numbers are starts from 1 onwards, whole numbers are starts from 0 onwards. The smallest natural number is 1, the smallest whole number is 0. The smallest whole number is 0. Next, what is meant by predecessor and what is meant by successor? The spelling of predecessor. P-R-E-D-E-C-E-S-S-O-R. Predecessor. Successor. S-U-C-C-E-S-S-O-R. Predecessor and successor. Predecessor means before number or after number. Predecessor means before number. Now, in natural number for one number there is no predecessor. What is that number? Yes, 1. For 1 there is no predecessor. Predecessor means before number. What is the predecessor of 1? 0. Is there 0 in natural number? No. Yes, of course. In natural number there is one number, that is 1. 1 has no predecessor. Remaining all numbers there has predecessor and successor. So predecessor means before number. What is the predecessor of 2, Nana? 1. What is the predecessor of 4, Nana? 3. Like that. Predecessor means before number. What is the successor, Nana? Successor means after number. To get the predecessor, we have to subtract 1 from the given number. To get the successor, we have to add 1 to the given number. It is the difference between predecessor and successor. More one we have learned about number line also. That means how to draw the number line. It is number line. On the number line, the numbers are start from 0 onwards. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. So on the number line, the consecutive numbers are with the same distance. Consecutive means like that, 0, 1. These are one pair of consecutive numbers. 1, 2, one pair of consecutive numbers. The consecutive numbers are with the same distance. Consecutive numbers are with the same distance. It is number line. We have completed. Always, and in our previous class, always successor of a number is always rise to the right side of a number line. Predecessor of a number is always rise to the left side of a number line. Successor means after number. On a number line always after numbers are rise to the right side. Before numbers are always rise to the left side. Up to here we have learned in our previous class. In our today class, today we will learn about how to add the numbers on number line. That means by using number line how to do addition, by using number line how to do subtraction, by using number line how to do multiplication. First of all, addition on the number line. First, addition on the number line. Addition on the number line. Addition means plus. Addition means plus. In the addition, answer is called sum. So, how to find the addition of the number line? First, 5 plus 3. Now, I want to find 5 plus 3. Actually, you know what is 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is 8, you know directly. But, we will represent this 5 plus 3 on the number line. That one. How to represent addition on the number line? First of all, to represent 5 plus 3 on the number line, first of all you have to draw a number line. It is called number line. By using scale you have to draw. By using scale you have to draw this line, and on the line you have to write the numbers from 0 onwards. It is 0, you have to write with same distance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now we will represent 5 plus 3 on this number line. First what we have Nana? 5. So now count from 0 onwards, count 5 numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 to 5. After 5 what we have here? 3. That means after 5 we have to count 3 numbers. You have to leave 5. Don't count 5 again. Already we have counted. 0 to 5 we have counted. So don't count this 5 again. So leave that 5, and after 5 we have to count 3 numbers. So 1, 2, 3. It is 5. It is 3. 5 plus 3. It gives the answer as 8. 5 plus 3. It gives the answer as 8. More one number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now 8 plus 4. Now we will represent, already you know how to represent 8 plus 4, but we will represent this 8 plus 4 on the number line. How to represent? First what we have here? 8. So you have to count from 0 onwards. 0 to 8. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we have 8. So draw like this from 0 to 8. Now after 8 how many numbers we have to count? 4 numbers. Now don't count this 8 again. Leave this 8, and after 8 we have to count 4 numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we stopped at 12. So 8 plus 4 is 12. It is 4. It is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. Like this, you have to do addition. More one. Now, if you have two numbers, you have to represent like this. Then, if you have three or more numbers, then how to represent? Now we will represent. Then same like draw the number line. Then write the numbers on the number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Enough. Now, first, what we have in the first? The first number is 4, the first digit is 4. So, count from 0 to 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Draw. 0 to 4. 4 has completed. After 4, what do you have here? 3. Then leave this 4, and after 4 we have to count 3 numbers. So 1, 2, 3. We got up to here. 4, 3. Both are completed. After 3, what we have here? 2. Then leave this 7 and count 2. 1, 2. So answer is 9. 4 plus 3 plus 2, it gives 9. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. It is 4. It is 3, it is 2. So total answer is 9. Like this. If you have two numbers or two or more numbers, you have to do addition on the number line. You have to do like this. Have you understood? Then subtraction on the number line. Subtraction on the number line. Have you understood how addition? Then subtraction. Subtraction means minus. Subtraction on the number line. Subtraction means minus symbol. Minus. Now that means we have to subtract. In addition of numbers means we have to add. While we are adding, did you find anything here? While we are doing addition on the number line, we are moving to the right side. See. For example, 5 plus 3 plus 4 we will take here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I have taken like this. First 0 to 5 we have to count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up to here it is 5. Then after 5 what we have here? 3. Leave this 5 and count 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3. Then drop to here. We got up to 8. 5, 3. Both are completed. What we have here more? 4. Then leave this 8 and count 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got up to here. So 12 is the answer. It is 4. It is 12 answer. See. 0 to 5, 5 to 8, 8 to 12. Always we are moving to the, while you are here we are doing addition. While we are doing addition we are moving to the right side or left side. It is right side, it is left side. We are moving to that side or this side. We are moving to the right side. That means on the number line while you are doing, you are moving to right side. That means in the addition we are moving to the right side on the number line. You have to remember this. For addition on the number line we are moving to the right side on the number line. Next, subtraction. 7 minus 3. We will find first question 7 minus 3. Then we have to draw the number line. For that we have to represent the 7 minus 3 on the number line. So that's why we have to draw the number line. Then write from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. First, then 7 minus 3. First 7, no? So 0 to count, 0 to 7. Now we are doing subtraction, so we have to go from down onwards. 0 to 7. 0 to 7 we have to count it. From the 7, how many numbers we have to subtract? You have to leave the 7 and we have to subtract. From this 7 you have to subtract. How many you have to subtract? 3 you have to subtract. So leave the 7 and count 3. Subtraction. So you have to move to the left side. 1, 2, 3. So we got 4. 7 minus 3 gives 4. See. While we are doing addition, we have moved to the right side. Now it is subtraction. While we are subtraction, now we come to the left side. So for subtraction, we are moving to the left side on the number line. For addition, we are moving to the right side on the number line. Next, one more. 8 minus 1. We'll take 8 minus 1. Now for that also we have to draw the number line. We have to draw the number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up to 8 enough because here we have 8 only. For 0 to 8. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 0 to 8. Completed. From this 8, how many we have to subtract? We have to subtract one number. So while we are subtraction, we have to move to the right side or left side? Right side, so left side. So leave this 8 and count one number. 1. So 8 to 7. So what is the answer? 8 minus 1 it gives 7. Like this. So it is, have you understood the addition and subtraction on the number line? Like this you have to represent this. Like this you have to do addition and subtraction on the number line. So it is the addition and subtraction. Have you understood addition and subtraction? While you are doing addition, you are moving to the right side on the number line. While you are doing subtraction, you are moving left side on the number line. Next, multiplication on the number line. Multiplication on the number line. Multiplication. Multiplication means, what is the symbol for multiplication? Multiplication. The symbol of multiplication is called into. In multiplication, answer is called product. Multiplication. Multiplication on the number line. The symbol of multiplication is like this. Now I want to represent 2 into 3 on the number line. 2 into 3 how much you know? 2 into 3 directly you know 6. But we have to represent this on the number line. How to represent? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now 2 into 3 we have to represent, no? Then we have to move 2 steps In each step we have to take 3 moves. 2 steps. How many steps? 2 steps. In each step 3 moves. 2 steps means first 3 moves. No, in each step 3 moves. No, so that's why count 2 0 to 3 0 1 2 3. One step has completed. Then more one step. In another step also how many moves you have to go? 3 moves. So leave this 3 and count 3 numbers. 1 2 3. Answer is 6. 2 steps. In each step 3 moves. It is 3 3. 3 plus 3 6. Like that. Okay. Then we will take 7 fours are we will take 7 fours are how much Nana? 7 fours are directly 28, you know. We will represent this on the number line. Draw the number line. Then 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29. So number line has completed. Now what we have to represent? We have to represent 7 into 4 on the number line. So how many steps, and in each step how many moves? We have to take 7 steps. In each step we have to go for 4 moves. 7 steps. We need 7 steps. In each step how many moves we have to go? 4 moves. So 4 moves, no? So 4 moves. 0 1 2 3 4. First step has completed. Like this we have to go for 7 steps. In second step also count 4 numbers. 1 2 3 4. Sorry, 1 2 3 4. Then close this 8 and count more 1. 1 2 3 4. Next 1 2 3 4. Like this we have to go for 7 steps. How many has completed? 1 2 3 4. 4 steps has completed. Next 1 2 3 4. In each step we are going 4 steps only, Nana. See, next 1 2 3 4. Next 1 2 3 4. We got up here. Now check, did we get 7 steps or not? These 7. Sorry. These 4. These 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3. Sorry. Leave this 8. 1 2 3 4. In each step we have 4 numbers. No, that's why you have to write 4. 4 4. How many times we got? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. That means 7 steps. In each step we have to go for 4 moves. More 1. 5 threes we will check. Now can you say how much 5 threes is? How much, Nana? 5 threes it gives 15. Now how many steps, and in each step how many moves we have to go? We have to take 5 steps. In each step we have to go for 3 moves. Then 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Now we have to take 5 steps. In each step we have to go for 3 moves. 5 steps. In each step we have to go for 3 moves. Like that we have to go 5 steps. 3. 1 2 3. We have to close this number afterwards. Then count more 3 numbers. 1 2 3. Again close this and count more 3. 1 2 3. Close this and count more 3. 1 2 3. Close this and count more 3. 1 2 3. So we need 5 steps. Did you get 5 steps or not? Count 1 2 3 4 5. 5 steps we got. In each step 3. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, like that. So have you understood? It is multiplication multiplication on the number line, addition on the number line, subtraction on the number line, multiplication on the number line. Here also you have to observe, for addition and multiplication we are moving right side on the number line. Only for subtraction we are moving to the left side on the number line. For addition and subtraction for both, we are moving to the right side only. We are not coming to the left side again. We are moving to the right side on the number line. Only for subtraction we are moving to the left side on the number line. It is the addition, subtraction and multiplication of the number line. Now in your textbook, you have to do this. See here, in page number 17, Nana. In page number 17 you have to do this. Complete here only and send to me. Send this picture only to me. Find the following by using number line. What number should be deducted from 8 to get 5? That means 8 minus 5 you have to find. First one, 8 minus 5. So deducted means minus, you have to do subtraction. 8 minus 5. Second one, what number should be deducted from 6 to get 11? What number should be deducted from 6 to get 11, sorry, to get 1, Nana. So it is second one, 6 minus 1. First one is 8 minus 5 on the number line. Second one, 6 minus 1 on the number line. What number should be added to 6 to get 8? So third one, 6 plus 2 on the number line. First one you have to represent in try this page number. You have to show 8 minus 5 on the number line. Second one, 6 minus 1 on the number line. Third one, 6 plus 2 on the number line. Fourth one, 6 into 5 on the number line. You have to complete these 4 in your notebook. Write these questions and find solutions for that. That means you have to draw the number lines like this and send your homework to me. Then exercise 1. Exercise 2.1. Here you have exercise 2.1. Today we will complete first bit only. In our next class we will learn second, third like that bits. Exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1. First question. Heading Nana. Which of the statements are true and which are false? Correct the false statements. Now, first one. Just I will read and I will say. There is a national number that has no predecessor. Yes, there is a national number. That national number is 1. For that 1 has no predecessor. Now it is true or false? True. Yes. First one true. 0 is the smallest whole number. Whole numbers starts from 0 onwards. So 0 is the smallest whole number. Second one also true. Third one. All whole numbers are natural numbers. All whole numbers are natural numbers. No. False. Because there is all whole numbers are natural numbers. That is not correct. All natural numbers are whole numbers. Now they ask here. If the statement is wrong, we have to correct that. Now it is wrong, we have to write. How to write correctly? All the natural numbers are whole numbers. Natural numbers are whole numbers. Next, fourth one. A whole number that lies on the number line lies to the right side of another number line is greater. Whole number, that's a whole number. First I am drawing the number line. A whole number, these are the whole numbers. So it is one number line. A whole number that lies on the number line, it is on the number line, lies to the right side of another number, lies to the right side of any another number, always greater. Yes, of course it is greater. Next number, the successor of any number is greater number only. So true. Fourth one true. Fifth one, a whole number on the left side of the greater number is always. Now see. In previous question they said the number which is lies to the right side of the number is greater. Now in our fifth question they are asking the number which is lies to the left side of a number is greater. Now 4 is greater than 3. 3 is greater than 4 is greater. 4 is greater, but they are saying 3 is greater. Is that correct? No. Fifth one is false. the whole number on the whole number on the left side of another number, left of another number on the number line is smaller. Next question. This one has completed. We cannot show the smallest whole number on the number line. We cannot show the smallest whole number on the number line. No, we can show the smallest whole number on the number line. What is the smallest whole number, Nana? The smallest whole number is 0. We can show the 0. We can show 0 on the number line. So 6 one is false. We can show the smallest whole number on number line. Smallest whole number on number line. Next, we can show the greatest whole number on the number line. No. 6th one. I did not say what is the greatest whole number also. Then how can you represent that? No. So false. We cannot show the greatest whole number on number line. You have to write as it is. They ask which of the following statements are true and which of the following are false. Correct the false statement. If that is false, you have to correctly. So you have to write true or false and you have to write this also. So in exercise second chapter up to 2.1. In 2.1 up to first bit is your homework. Complete up to here and send to me. If you have any doubt, ask to me. I will explain. So up to here complete your homeworks and send to me. Okay children? Good.